Be careful to fall. Okay, you're climbing. Leo June is here today with her grandmother, Evelyn. She's gonna fall. Be careful not to fall, baby girl. She's getting more confident on the rocks. There. We were scootering. There's our scooter right here. But we came to a lake. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Good job. Good job, Leo June. Are you having fun on this big rock? Be careful not to fall. She likes jumping on rocks, as you could tell. This is a very beautiful spot we are. This is in our path, so decided to take her scootering. Oh, wow. Good thing you got knee pads on, an elbow and hand. She had her helmet is right there. But she wanted to take it off, but she puts it on when she's scootering. Are you having fun, Leo June? Are you having fun? You are so good. Yeah, you're having so much fun. Unbelievable. So she's not in preschool today because she stayed home with me. Take her in nature. Nature is just a wonderful thing. I'm having such a great time with my granddaughter. So blessed. She loves jumping rocks, I tell you that. So, Leo June, are we having fun together? We are having so much fun. Say hi to everyone. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everybody. Any comments, Leo? Leo June, any comments? What kind of comments do you want to say? Hi to everybody? Hey? No, you don't want to say hi to everyone. You do. Uh-oh. That's a big jump. The stream goes way up. It's a stream. Oh, wow. You're going to hurt yourself. You're tough. Frere Shaka, Frere Shaka. Don't make ooh. Sing it, Leo June. Sing Frere Shaka. Good job. She's humming it. Good job. Hi. fun. Stream. Vera shaka, vera shaka. Don't make me. Say hi to everyone. A mountain, yeah. Now, you're climbing a bigger rock here. As you can see, Leo June, you have to be very careful. I don't think you should be very careful on this one, little girl. Yes. Be very careful on that one.
Slide.
Pardon?
Slide.
You're climbing?
I'm sliding.
Oh, you're sliding. Slide down the rock.
Yeah, that's how I like to do it.
Yeah.
That's how I like to do it. Sliding.
Yeah. Very independent. My granddaughter's very independent. There's water right there. Yeah. Be very, yeah.
I got all the banded.
Pardon me?
Banded the banded. That's a big bug.
Leo June, why don't you hug a tree? Why don't you hug a tree? Whoa-oh. Uh-oh, that was close. Uh-oh. Get back up. You're tough. You're tough. Me and Grammy, me and you, Leo June, hug a tree? Why don't we hug a tree? What tree do you want to hug? What tree would you like to hug? This one? Me and you hug this one? Which one would you like to hug? Okay, let's hug a tree, okay? Okay, so what tree are we going to hug? This one? Let's hug. Aww. Okay, we got to hug it. We got to hug it.
I got climb.
Yeah, climb a tree.
I can't choose like that.
I'm sorry. Hug a tree, Leo June. Aw, she's hugging a tree. She loves nature. Ah. Pardon me? Say goodbye. Say goodbye, Leo June. Say love you all. Aww. Bye. Bye.